How to check balance and rates from portal in VOS3000. Go to VOS3000 Web Self-Service System and select Login, type Gateway Mapping. Now, go back to VOS3000 and copy Gateway ID and configuration password. Then, go back to VOS3000 Web Self-Service System. Now, write verification code and click Log In. This is your login name. This is your login type. This is your account ID. This is your account name. This is your balance account. Now, go to Base Rate Query to check destination base code rates. Write here destination code and click on Query. Here you can see rate prefix. Here you can see area code. Note, different prefix have different rates. Here you can see rate type. Here you can see area name. Here you can see billing rate. Note, this is 1-by-1 billing record for check per minute rate to do multiply by 60 with billing rates. Click here to watch how to add rates in VOS3000. Here you can see billing cycle. Note, with %, we can find all destination code rates which start from 44. Note, if you want to search any other destination rates, do same process.